We've got the latest jobs numbers, and things are slowing a bit. The U.S. Employers, that is, added 187,000 new positions in the month of August. But as Rebecca Castor reports, despite that news, businesses are still struggling with a workforce shortage.
A slowdown in hiring and fewer pay raises does not sound like good news for workers. But it's what the Federal Reserve is hoping will bring down inflation and prevent another spike in interest rates.
When I look at what happened to the unemployment rate, when I look at the increase in labor force participation, when I look at the slowdown in wage gains, to me that points to a Fed pause in September.
The latest jobs report shows 187,000 jobs were added in August, more than expected, but still low compared to the hot job market earlier this year. Unemployment rose to 3.8%.
This jump in unemployment is due entirely to more people coming into the labor market. I think that's a sign of optimism, of people looking for jobs.
The White House continuing to praise Bidenomics for preventing a U.S. recession.
It wasn't that long ago that 20 million Americans were out of work. But the American people didn't give up.
But the president's critics say he's to blame for high consumer prices and record high interest rates.
You have 2 out of 3 American families saying, no, these things aren't working for me. I'm in worse shape than I was 4 years ago.
Meanwhile, the Biden administration is proposing a new rule that would make 3.6 million more U.S. workers eligible for overtime pay. But business groups are pushing back. The new proposal requires employers to pay overtime to most salaried workers that make less than $1,059 a week. It's likely, however, the rule will be contested in court before taking effect. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, Fox 32 Chicago.